Let's try to draw a circuit diagram. In fact, I'll give you a diagram and let's try to make an electric circuit. It's always very interesting. Now look at this. You see the circuit? Now what we first do is we identify the electric components from their symbols. And we know the symbols pretty well. So if you see, the circuit consists of an electric bulb, a battery that has two electric cells, a switch in the on position, and of course our connecting wires. So we get hold of all these components and then, according to the circuit, we connect these components. So if you look at the circuit diagram, the positive and negative terminals of the battery are connected to the bulb and the switch respectively. Fine? Now construct the circuit by connecting the same components with the battery in the same way. You can use a cell holder for the combination of cells. And also make sure that the positive terminal of one cell is in contact with the negative terminal of the second cell. And when the switch is in the on position, well, our circuit is complete. And then it is called a closed circuit. And if the switch is in the off position, you still have a circuit, but it's an